Discover the Nike Air Force 107 White Court Blue, a clean and modern take on one of Nike's most iconic sneakers. Blending a pure white base with bold blue accents, this pair highlights everything fans love about the AF1. Smooth leather, precise stitching, and classic toe box perforations create a fresh and timeless look. The deep court blue swoosh, tongue label, and heel tab add sharp contrast, giving the shoe a crisp, standout identity. A sturdy midsole with the signature air emboss, paired with a detailed circular outsole pattern, keeps the traditional AF1 feel intact. Lightweight laces and subtle metal eyelets add a soft, airy finish to the overall design. Since its 1982 debut, the Air Force 1 has remained a staple from basketball courts to streetwear culture, and this colorway continues that legacy. With its versatile white palette and strategic blue hits, this model easily elevates everyday outfits while delivering classic Nike DNA.